Should you sand the repair area after using these methods? For finishing drywall repairs, always wait until the joint compound is fully dry before sanding, because premature sanding will gum the paper and create uneven surfaces. Use a medium grit sponge or sandpaper equivalent to 120 to 150 grit wrapped around a sanding block for even pressure and control. Move with the grain of the paper rather than in small circles to avoid low spots. For feathering edges, start with a light touch and progressively remove high ridges, checking by running your hand gently across the surface to feel for transitions that catch light. For larger repairs patched with mesh, ensure the compound has cured through the mesh layer. If the mesh remains visible after initial sanding, add a thin skim coat and let it dry fully before final sanding. For delicate areas near trim or corners, use a sanding sponge or hand sand with fine pressure to prevent gouging, and protect adjacent surfaces with low-tack painter tape. After sanding, wipe the area with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove dust, allow the surface to dry, then prime before painting to ensure uniform sheen and adhesion. Common mistakes include sanding too early, which creates gumming and paper tear. The fix is to test dryness by pressing lightly and waiting longer if any tack is present. Over-sanding thin spots is another issue and leads to depressions that telegraph through paint. The remedy is to fill those spots with a thin skim coat, let it dry, then sand lightly again. Not using mesh or proper backing for larger holes causes sinking or cracking under paint. Patch with self-adhesive mesh and build compound in thin layers, drying between applications to prevent future failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide resources on projects like drywall finishing. On our site, we help contractors find work and engage with a discussion community where both homeowners and tradespeople share tips and experiences.